Okay, this is for Madany Dental. This is Jeff with Metro Detroit SEO. So let's do a quick, like I said, a quick screencast review. So far, I do like, you do have a nice site. It's very professional looking. Right there to the point and everything. We rate yours and we rate the competition. I did find you're paying for an ad that seemed to show up on the second page when you do this is your, go here. You got this ad right here, or not that one, did show up over here on the second page. I believe it was down here. Yes, down here. And what it's basically is it's on the second page. That's where your paid ads coming up. So what we do is we look at the background stuff to see why you're placing where you're placing, and then we take the top one. The other day it was actually this one, but now it's this one, and we do a review. And so here we go. First thing, your word count. You got 617 words here on the front page. To help get you placed better, you want 1,000 to 1,800, or 1,000 to 1,500 words, and that way we can put a little bit more of the keywords. Here's your organic keywords. You have 60, and then one here, one there, and then yeah, that's basically it. And those are going to help set out links and backlinks and other things, and the keywords are also what people search and what helps come up. Your overall position here is 18,404,000, and right here you've moved up a few thousand, just over 1,000, but you did move down here, and you moved up and moved up. So that's your average right there. And this next site, this is Majestic, and what that does is it basically checks on everything. Now, what I do have to say is your trust flow and your citation flow is actually pretty good, but you want to get these numbers as equal as possible. So if we could do something to bring this one up. The other thing, though, is what's going on here is your backlinks. You only have one. And your backlinks is what helps give you the power and helping you move you up through the system in Google. You know, there's a whole plethora of things: keywords, backlinks, your anchor text, what's helping anchor you to different places. You only have a couple right here, and again, we can go through the whole setup of everything. Back to the URL. All right, so this is the one that came up first in the organic searches. Detroit Dental. Their site looks decent. I didn't do a word count, but I'm pretty sure they don't. I'm pretty positive they don't have as many words as you do. What I did see is what I think is really helping them is they got 181 keywords, and they could be a little more. I think they may be a little more specific as far as their organic keyword search. And also, they're actually ranked behind you, but they're placing further up, and probably because they're spending a little bit more money on their pay-per-click stuff as well. But their trust flow and their citation flow are way off, and I'm surprised that the trust flow is this low and they're ranking where they are. But what that has to do with are these guys, these backlinks. Now this one, this no follow, that doesn't really help them very much, but the ones that are open here like this, these are all links that people can follow back, and that's what helps give their site power and brings up their position. And again, we can go through all the pages, but it's generally all the same. And yet sometimes, yes, some of them get deleted, but they got a lot of them that are follow back sites, links, which that's what's really helping them place them up there. And again, this is everything we can do for you guys as well. And check that out. Again, this is Jeff with Metro Detroit SEO. You can call the office line at 313-329-7990 or direct line at 313-673-1705. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.